Hey guys and girls, so I've got some more information for you today. I hope that by now everyone has heard the news. We are not going to be we're not going to be coming back to school this year. I know a lot of you probably have questions, especially seniors, and answers are coming, so hang tight. So what that means is that we are going to finish out the school year through distance learning. We are going to be primarily grading everything in Google Classroom, so it's important that you get all of your assignments done in Google Classroom. So a few things for Google Classroom. Don't forget to hit the submit button, even or especially if I'm assigning an assignment on a different platform like Flipgrid. If you don't have anything to turn into Google Classroom, please still go in there and hit the turn in or the submit button. If you don't, then I may miss that you've turned in that assignment and may skip grading yours. So because everything's being graded in Google Classroom, it's important that you do that. Also read the directions closely. Most of you are doing this. Seniors are doing a really good job with this. Sophomores, some of you are missing out on this. If I say answer incomplete sentences or describe each, then make sure that you're not just giving me a definition or a topic or a title. You're also describing each of the items included in a question. If you have completed any missing work, if you've been emailing me your missing work, then please check Aries, make sure that the assignments or scores are updated. If they're not, send me another email in case I missed something. And then also, I would like for you guys to reply to this video on YouTube. Let me know if the assignments so far are taking you less than 30 minutes to complete or longer than 30 minutes to complete on average. So I just need to know how to adjust the assignments that I'm pushing out in Google Classroom for you all. And then finally, check out some feedback in Flipgrid. I have been giving you feedback in the actual Flipgrid. I just want to know if you can see it, if you're getting it. And then also, please make sure that you have joined our Flipgrid or Flip class. I think I'm going to have you use it quite a bit. Videos should be private as of now, so you should only be able to see your own videos. Let me know if any of you can see your classmates' videos, and I'll change that. I will post a link to each Flipgrid class in this stream so that those of you who haven't been able to access can access. There's been some issues with it, and I think the easiest way around it is to just use that direct link. I think that's it. Please continue to email me with any questions that you guys have. I wanted to show you all, I thought this was really funny. I'm sure you guys are like super bored on the internet, but I've seen this meme and I just thought it was hilarious. This course, it's this coronavirus or quarantine meme, and it says how my grandfather saved the world, and it's got a pretty interesting comparison here. I think this is World War II D-Day image and the sacrifice that our ancestors have made compared to today, how we will save the world by staying at home and being couch potatoes. So I thought that was really funny and really interesting comparison. All right, if you guys have any funny or interesting memes, feel free to post them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later.